one of the best things to do is to know what you want to give and who you want to give it to. That's probably one of the toughest things to figure out, right, Lou? Is like to figure out, like, what am I going to specialize in, and not trying to be all things to all people. But like, we've got Deborah, I think it's like Deborah, the lip nurse. Like, she narrowed it down, right? And she does injections. So it's like, you really need to narrow it down and decide what you're going to be known for. And also know, like, she's a nurse, she's a visiting nurse. She loves treating nurses. We've got another Revlon client that's a nurse, that's a phlebotomist, and she loves that nurses have potty mouths like she does. They get along, she likes treating nurses. So it's like, it's really good to figure out who your peeps are and connect with them, be able to speak their language. Maybe it's soccer moms. Maybe you're a soccer mom and you want a soccer mom. So the best thing is to really look, and we do a lot of this. We've got a mini challenge coming up, and also a very maxi, a big challenge coming up that makes you go through all of these steps of really reflecting on what devices do you connect with. Because Lou, I want you to speak to this too. In training, have you noticed that people connect with certain treatment types, like certain pieces of technology? And
yeah, always. Every time somebody comes to my program, whether it's for injections or lasers, in their mind, Erika, before they step foot in our facilities and do that first, learning or treatment, they think, okay, I'm going to do mainly laser hair removal, or mainly foot and facial skin rejuvenation, or mainly dermal fillers on the lip. They have this preconception in their mind of what road they're going down. And then they go to the class, and I can't tell how many people say, oh my gosh, I had no idea, but I'm just going to focus on tattoo removal and nothing else, because I can do a treatment in 30 seconds and it's fun and exciting, different. Or the injectors are thinking Botox fillers, and then they fall in love with PDO threads, non-surgical face. They say, oh my gosh, I didn't even know what this was. I love this. So 100%, people just we all kind of stumble across these things,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, and just like true love, you just know when it's right. Right. And when you find the right treatment that you're very good at, and when you find the right audience, that's when the magic happens. I swear to God, it's when the magic happens.